Hi Ween. Hi Ben. Do you know the first airplane goes on 5 minutes? Oh shit. I must go now. I am so good to kidding with pitbulls, he threw me. Now he going to the airplane. Oh. Now we going to Spain.
No. This airplane is going to Paris.
No. He lie me.
Oh. I can help you.
No thanks. It's good. I can do this alone. Oh my god. Now I are in Paris. Yeah. Can I help you with something? No thanks, I can do this alone. Okay. Do you want something? Do it look so. Wow man. Take it easy. Please. Can we cancel this? No. Okay. Now I go home. But it's not end.